Alright, in this video we're going to dive into the Employee Information Report, and that's found by clicking on the Reports tab and then clicking on Employee Info. This is a very useful report because it's going to show you all the information regarding employment and personal information for each of your employees. And so as you can see across the top, it ranges from employment type and status to location, department, reporting structures, pay rates for those who can see it, start dates, and then personal information such as birthdays, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, etc. And this is really a convenient report because you'll be able to see, for example, if Giselle Cap, if we have all of her information, but look, we don't have a lot of this information for her, and so we'd want to go and fill that out. And you can see which employees are missing information, which employees have information. Another convenient thing here is you can really do a great job of filtering. So we have all sorts of filters. You can do part-time and full-time, department, location, employment status, and even by gender. And then whatever report you'd like, you can filter it, or you can leave it unfiltered and then download that report as a CSV for your convenience.